Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, I will teach you on how to check the size of your hard drive in Mac OS. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you're new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. In order to check the size of our hard drive in Mac OS, just select the Mac here, HD, right click, get information. Okay, so it will display the size of a hard drive. We have here 121.12 gigabytes. So the available size after being used is 79.1 gigabytes. That's it guys. Now to determine the size of the hard disk in your Mac OS operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.